When we cook food, we never just cook food. We communicate. We send a message. We tell a story. We create a bond. We let our love speak. And our love can say thousands of things. It can say, all the best for your first day of school. Or I'm so proud of us. It can say, tonight is our night. Or simply, this is just for me. Yes, cooking is a language of love. That's why here at Thermomix, our passion is to spark joy in every kitchen and help everyone let their love speak. The TM7 takes this passion to new heights with more than a dozen groundbreaking new features and innovations. Inspiring, seamless, intuitive, versatile, and silent like never before. With the TM7 as the heart of your kitchen, every recipe turns into a way of saying how much you care. Every serving into a moment of joy. Every dish into a feeling of pride. Yes, when you cook with the all-new TM7, you don't simply cook. You bring your very own culinary love language to a whole new level. Thermomix, like never before. The all-new TM7.